Hello everyone, welcome back to Present Creation. So today we will going to make a code on hand tracking. Basically, this code will use our computer vision to track our hands. If suppose I will show you how it works basically. So these are the measures which is taken by the code. So there are 21 points which are measured here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 20. Wrist, thumb mid, thumb index finger mid, tip, base. These things are labeled. Now in today's program we will going to use an extension called MediaPipe. Now MediaPipe is an extension for using computer vision. So you can already see they already have implanted the different types of gesture over here. Face tracking, and this is created by Google. See, a Python software via Google. So today we are going to use this in our project. Now let's open our code in Visual Studio. Now I already have made an computer vision hand tracking Python program file over here. Now to do so, I have already tried and tested one code which is in my Word. So it's like try then import cv2 except import error. अगर कोई एरर आया तो फिर उसे वो कैंसिल करेगा. फिर अगर एरर आया इफ इन केस एरर आया फिर उसे प्रिंट करेगा चाहे हम उसे यूज कर सकें. और फिर ऐसा ही चलता रहेगा आपका पूरा वो. अब नाउ यहाँ से आपका मेन कोड शुरू होगा. बेसिकली इसमें मैं एरर ही बता रहा हूँ. चाहे एरर कभी हो तो एरर प्रिंट हो जाए. हमारे एरर बॉक्स में दिखाता था आपको. अगर यहाँ से तक नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन आता है एरर बॉक्स का, उसमें इम्प्रिंट हो जाएगा. नाउ इसे मैं सपोज टोटल कॉपी करता हूँ, कंट्रोल बी कर देता हूँ. सी. Note: this code captures videos from the webcam, detects hand using MediaPipe, and draws landmark on the detected hands. बेसिकली ये आपके हाथ को मार्क करेगा और उसकी फ्रेमिंग करेगा. अब मैं अगर आपको ये कोड लाइन बाय लाइन समझाऊं तो आप मुझे एक सेकेंड में समझा दूं. Now let's start. So first let's start. No need try semicolon enter. Where the heck it's coming? Just a second. Yes. Check. Try. यार इंटर एक्सेप्ट एरर, उसके बाद फोर्थ नेम पे मैं जाऊंगा, उसके बाद मैं करूंगा प्रिंट एरर ओपन सीवी। मीडिया पाइप तक तो हो गया काम। अब ध्यान से देखिए आप, हमने पहले इंपोर्ट कंप्यूटर विजन किया, इसी का ये मॉड्यूल है विजुअल स्टूडियोज का। फिर हमने आई इंपोर्ट मीडिया पाइप एज एमपी, और फिर अगर कोई एरर आए तो प्रिंट मीडिया पाइप इज नॉट इंस्टॉल, और इंस्टॉल मीडिया पाइप अगर कोई एरर नहीं है तो। अब हम इसके आगे का पार्ट करेंगे। सपोज हमारा आ गया हैश इनिशियलाइज मीडिया पाइप एंड सॉरी ड्राइंग यूटिलिटीज। इसके बाद हमें mp underscore hands equal to mp dot solution son dot hands. Now mp underscore means, just a second, zooming in. Close one. Yes. mp underscore drawing drawing equal to mp dot solution dot drawing utilities utils utils. Now hash. So we use hash whenever uh, whenever we are marking or writing a different code. Basically, suppose I started over here initializing the media pipe drawing utilities. So if a new person is rectifying my code or seeing my code, he can automatically see what are the codes which he has written. In starting, I didn't wrote anything because it's the start and it is only the import part. Now from here, where I wrote hash, the main code starts. So initializing the media pipe. If the media pipe is not installed, so he can go up. And now the video capturing part comes. Now it's like scap equal to cv dot two. dot video captured 0. 0. They are 0. Now uh, I will run this fast and tell you. So I wrote the code. The app is called to I showed you this. Then hash 0 or 2 if needed. Now uh, I wrote this thing. If it doesn't work, so it could be changed to be cured. Now I will write the second part of the code, uh, which is required. Now just a second. Uh, hash me just a minute. Media pipe hands setup. Now hands let's close and hands equal to mp underscore hands dot hands dot dot just a minute. Min underscore detection underscore on the lens equal to 0.7 comma when underscore tracking underscore confidence equal to 0.5. Now, as you can see, I wrote this code. The video will get longer, so I will fill it part by part and roughly. So this part is over. Now next part, which I will show you directly, is flip the frame horizontally for a mirror effect. Okay. So, stay tuned. Now I wrote the code over here. Now let's jump into the next part, which I told you. Flip one, flip the horizontal. Just a minute, I wrote. Mm. Now I will show you directly the next part, uh, which you have to do two parts, because the video length is exceeding. So code completed. Uh, it was taking time, so I directly completed it. Now I left from here. Sorry, just a minute. I left from here. So we use computer vision from above point, then frame one. Now uh, we give a color framing, and this was drawing specs. This part was taken from online factors, not mine. Not on the display frame image shown. So this is the whole code which I can say. Now just a minute, running it again. Now me hitting the run button. Just a minute, it takes time. Yeah. Now you can see my hand functioning very nice. See from back also. In this, by this we can use two hands together, because now it is not visible properly. This part is not guaranteeing the. See, you can say this hand should be visible. Every hand should be visible. If I put like this, it won't be visible. Even if I show couple of fingers. So yes, that's the code. See you next time. Bye bye.